don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subs. Welcome to my fans on TV. It's the Nedbank Cup, Kaizer Chiefs 2, Orlando Pirates 1. I'm joined by the best chairman in the world.
Sibo kunjani awuthiyama?
Ngimnandi che.
Mnandi awuthiyama. Yeah, namhlanje akusambelanga kahle awuthiyama. But we remain humble.
Sure che.
Yeah, le ntwana zethu sithibe zidlalile baba ume kancane, awume kancane. Yeah, no.
Why you gonna chairman?
Mamela Sithibo, asiqhubeke mfethu. Ngithi namhlanje akusambelanga kahle mfethu. But we remain humble awuthiyama. We remain humble. Intwana zidlalile, intwana zethu zidlalile awuthiyama. Abantu nje abaflopile kuflopi leadership yabo ngama last minute. Intwana lezi mfethu zidlala grand the whole season bezidlala grand. It's just that bona i-leadership yayo yeflopile fandak ngama substitute dayo. But angeke size sikhala awuthiyama. Will remain humble thina sizobuya.
But ukhala leadership.
I-leadership ama-decision ewathathile today yiwa i-posted. Uyabona uMakgopa lapha yana bekayenza i-Chiefs ibe busy move. Uyabona uthe make keep uMakgopa ne. Uthe make keep uMakgopa baqala bastabilize lapha yana move because bebangasana abantu abagijimisa. Kodwa ke asila amajida lawa complainayo. Intwana zethu zijwayele ukudlala amacup. Akhona amawina akhona amaluze nesithiba awuthiyama. Okwanamhlanje we accept ukuthi sidliwe awuthiyama futhi asina complain okudliwa kwethu. Siyabacongratulate laba bawini cup asina problem naloko awuthiyama. Thina simnandi nje siqhubeka sizobuyela emuva manje back to the drawing board. Sibone ukuthi kuphi la siyalungisa khona ukuthi kusasa. Man of the match, man of the match, stadium. Baba bathi kulfeva data. Bathi because aba respect ama interview abantu. Bathi ukuba idata by convert. Balandele ngayo. Idabi namhlanje bazi.